Alright, so here we have JBL Charge 3. This is by Harman, and it is a portable Bluetooth speaker. It's renowned, so I don't need to tell much about it. This is the box. This Proof Charge 3. The box has got really cool colors and seems to be packed really nicely, and it's clean. I like the packing. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, this is the box. It's got a very nice picture on it with people just enjoying. Alright, so open it up. It's the Charge 3 board, I guess. It's foam, I think, to make it shockproof, I guess. Let's keep that away. Alright, here is the speaker. Let's keep it aside and come back to it when we're done with the box. Alright, so we've got some charging cable and a socket for it, of course. Alright, other than that, we have instruction manuals, I guess. Okay, let's keep that side too. Alright, so this is the box. It's really cool and clean, nice colors. I really like it actually. Let's close it, keep that aside, and let's see what's the hype about. Alright. Alright guys, this is the JBL Charge 3. Looks very beautiful. Got some nice colors. It's got aux input, micro USB charging, and USB option. Got this stand to stand it on. The material is really nice. It looks like nylon, I guess. It's amazing. These are the buttons. They are very pressy, although they make a lot of noise. I think they should work on that. And it's got some really cool color combinations, I guess. This is beautiful. It's a beautiful speaker, by the way. Nice. Alright, so this is JBL. USB. This is what you get out of the box of JBL Charge 3 by Harman. Thank you guys.